So I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye. Just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. Oh, oh, oh. But if you love me still, then stay. So keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest. I will always have my heart. Let me be the one. I want to break it up so you don't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have